Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks here with a quick review on a Lego Brickhead set 41616 Lego Harry Potter Hermione Granger. And it is like Brickhead number 61. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Now, the only reason I bought this is because I am really into the Harry Potter stuff and collecting the Harry Potter stuff. And I have been since about 2010, although I don't have it all from the 2010 line. Anyway, we wanted to collect the new series of stuff just because it'll be worth something in a few years down the road. Not because it's Brickheads. Because you all know my feeling on Brickheads. I literally do not like them. I despise them. Oh, but I bought these ones because, like I said, they're Harry Potter and they'll be worth something. So, starting off, I love the printing though on the necktie piece right in there. That's nice little printing there. Standard Brickhead eyes. The build of the hair was a bit tricky to do, but pretty straightforward all at the same time, so it's kind of neat. The printing on the skirt bottom, and they have that on both pieces, so that's kind of cool. Now, the hands, once again, are just a clip, standard Brickhead clip hands, and no articulation of the hands, legs, or head, so that, is disappointing. It does have a book that flips open and with a spell in the middle of it, so that's kind of neat. That's about the neatest feature of the whole thing, is the printed parts. Once again, parts in these sets are basically the only thing that they're worth. To build them for Brickheads, nah. And I'm going to call this expressionless Hermione because they have no face on her whatsoever except the eyes, which is disappointing. They could have put a face onto her. They don't do that with the Brickheads very much, so that's just disappointing. One thing that I have noticed with this Brickhead that I don't really like, they have it all the studs covered in the front and the top, but certainly not all on the sides or on the back, which they could have added a few more tiles to do that and it would look a lot better. Anyway, we'll find a spot for Hermione in our display. And that's about all I have to say about her in this video. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And hit that notification bell so you know when another video is coming out. And we will talk to you again shortly. And remember, if you can dream it, you can build it.